so 2x plus 5 equals 7x minus 10. What is our aim in this question? What is our answer going to look like? There. Yep. Yep, our aim is to find out what x is. So our answer is going to look like x equals something, yeah. And so if I want to get x equals something, I need to get all my x's on one side and all my numbers on the other side. What do you think, Eliza? What would be a good first step?
Isolate the variable, but subtract 5, and then add it. And then subtract it to the other side.
Right. Okay. So a good idea is to get rid of the numbers that are just by themselves. Okay. So if I
wait, or would you put the other, or would you put 2x onto the other side and then take minus 10 and add it to the other side?
It doesn't.
Because
it doesn't matter, okay? It doesn't matter which way around you do it, but the easiest way, and the way that we're going to do it, is that you're going to, well, say, get rid of the smallest number of x's, okay? So this is going to be our first step, all right? So what is our smallest number of x's?
2.
2x, okay, so I'm going to get rid of the 2x's here, okay? So if I want to get rid of this 2x, I have to?
Yep.
Divide?
Oh, minus 5.
Minus 2x.
Grayson,
I'm getting rid of the, I want to get rid of the 2x, okay?
Divide 2.
Divided by 2.
What is the 2x doing to the 5?
Multiplying.
Adding to 5.
Being added, okay? 2x is being added. There is effectively a plus sign here, okay? So if I want to get rid of the 2x, I have to
Subtract 2.
From both sides.
What did I say?
Okay, so on the left-hand side, paying attention, on the left-hand side, what am I going to have?
5.
Right, I'm going to have 5.
Equals 5 minus 10. 5x minus 10.
I've got 7x, take away 2x, which is 5x. And I've got minus 10. So now I'm down to something that's quite nice because I've got only one group of x's. So our next step then, Damon, is...
Add 10 on both sides.
Okay, good. We want to add 10 to both sides. If we add 10 to this side, that means we're getting rid of the negative 10. Add 10 to this side.
So x equals 2.
Because you're trying to isolate the
I'm
variable.
trying to get this... I'm trying to get the x's by themselves. If I add 5, it's not going to get rid of all of this amount. Okay? We can do that in a second, okay? So on the right-hand side, I've got just left 5x. On the left-hand side, I've got
15.
15. Does it matter if I write it the other way around? 5x equals 15?
No.
Right, and then to just get the x by itself,
Divide 5.
Yo!
divide by...
People have their hands up.
It's faster.
1 second, John. So I end up with x equals 3. Alright, so... we will, do you want to try this one together? Or do you want me to start you off at least?
Can you start us off, please?
Yes, I can
It's the
start you
same
off.
thing.
It's the same type of thing, except the only difference is what makes this, what
There
makes
are
this
more
appear
steps.
vertical.
Just more
Yeah.
steps.
There's the fractions involved, there's a couple of brackets as well. How could we get rid of the fractions in this?
Divide? No, we put them
We
into
do the
decimals.
Let's look at the number 1/4. What can I multiply that to get me a full number?
4.
If I multiply it by 4, I get
1.
1, okay? So I could multiply all of this by,
4.
and multiply all of this by 4 as well, okay? Now remember, what you do to one side, you always do
To the
to
other.
the other, okay? So if I multiply this by 4, what am I left with? X plus 7, right?
X plus 7.
Okay, because 4 times 1/4 is 1.
Yes.
What do I get if I multiply this all by 4?
2. Ooh, 6x minus 4.
Careful.
6x minus 8.
Stop jumping steps, okay? What's 1/2 multiplied by 4?
2.
2.
Right, 2. Half of 4 is 2.
2, 3x minus 4.
Right, and what do you think the next step is then? Grayson.
You multiply the 2 by 3, x and 4.
Right, you might expand your brackets. 2 times 3x is 6x. 3 times negative 4 is negative
8.
Okay, I'll stop there and let you continue. Okay, I'll give you a couple of minutes. Okay, so slightly different with fractions and brackets. Easy enough to get rid of. So, first step is to get rid of what, Eliza?
Get rid of the number in x, the smallest number of x.
Alright, which is?
The x.
Okay, 1x. So I'm going to get rid of the x. Alright. Okay, so on the left hand side, I've got what in? What have I got on this side?
So those crossed out. And then, yeah, then 6x minus x would be 5.
Right, okay. So, and what else have you got on this side? Right. And on the other side, I've got?
7.
Right. So I've got 7 equals 5x, take away 8. Our next step then, Damon, is?
You add 8 on both sides.
Right, good. I have to add on 8 on both sides. Remember, I'm trying to get the x's by themselves, so I need to get rid of this negative 8. So to do that, I add on 8. Okay, you're working out down the page, of course. Right, 7 plus 8 is?
15.
And I've got what's left on this side. Good. And again, I
Then
can
you
just switch
divide.
these around. Doesn't matter if you don't know. And divide both sides by Sona.
5.
Yep.
And then you will get 3.
Right, which x equals 3. Good. All right.
Just now.
Yes, Sager.